Hi guys. So in the next few section we'll discuss some miscellaneous web2py topics. So in this section we'll discuss about session. Session is part of HTTP protocols. Usually web protocol are stateless. So for example, you take a URL and send to someone else, and like you are sending URL to someone else is like a request, and server has to respond, but server doesn't know from where this URL is came. So you need a session object. So to control this stateless behavior of the session, we typically use logon scheme, like we log into some website and it will create the session. That means when user log on the web application and server set a session, that means you have been authenticated. So when user visit any other page and server look for the session, and if you are authenticated, server allowed to access the information, and if you are not if session is not found, it will redirect to login page. So in this section we'll discuss about what we'll do. We set and view the session variable, and one practical use to retrieve, like if you log into some web page, how to like you retrieve the session with your username or something. So let's start coding for that. So for this I have created one controller def set, and here I am setting three session variable: name, date and membership, and returning the local, and one more variable called view and returning the locals. Now we'll create view for this. So in set view we are not doing nothing, just we are setting this session variable. So you just call this view and set the session. After that, for in view what we are doing, let me comment one line. Okay, I commented, and here we are retrieving all three session variable. Like, let me reduce the size of this so I can view properly. Okay, so I am retrieving session.name, session.date and session.membership. So in the view in set view we are just setting all the session variable, and in this view we are retrieving all the session variable. So let's test this. So first what we'll do, we go to our block application and call set invalid function. What happened? So your controller name is session. So here we are set the variable. Now we will view the so here we are retrieving all the three variables what we have set in while we are setting the session: same, date and family. Now we tweak this is not like if we are accessing this page every time same session object will come. So this is not a practical thing. So not what we'll do, we just comment this line. Okay, so what we are doing, from auth user we are retrieving the first name. So any user is logged into web page, it will retrieve the first name who is logged into this. So let's try this. So first what we'll do, we just set the session. Let's go this. See, session set, and here this user Suresh has logged in. Now we view. See, the Suresh, the user who has logged into web page, it came. So this is a practical use to authenticate the session in a different website. Thank you.